up, foes?
What's up, big boy? It is Lifted and KC back here with another pack opening. Let's see what we can do with this here VENUSAUR box.
Vini.
Our boy Kevin's got the sauce. Is that beer mine or is that yours?
I think that's yours.
Oh, okay. Oh, swish! You got it in the trash box.
Come on now.
Fucking.
Come on now.
Got a sports guy here.
Alright.
Okay.
Go ahead and take this out real quick. Ow.
I'm on sleep duty, I forgot.
Sleeve, please. How's the centering on that? It looks not too good.
There's no hits on the back, I'll give you that.
Let's see a Clefairy or some shit.
Damn, Kevin's first time out here on the channel, already bringing his packs. We're getting fucking lit here.
Hell yeah. I got the what not breaking experience.
Oh shit, check out Kevin's links in the description.
Cubo. Oh. Pack number 2.
You're gonna get that Salamence. You're gonna get fucking Black Label.
Oh, hell yeah. Can you get God packs on these?
No, I think it has to be
Demi.
like a... No, you have to get like a special set.
Oh, okay. Clefairy!
It is a Clefairy. Gotta start somewhere. But yeah, for the special sets, like they're gonna be like the sets that don't have a booster box, where they're only distributed through like collection boxes and UTVs. So like Prismatic as an example, or the black and white stuff will have God packs. And you know, actually it wasn't until recently that English even started that.
Oh, I see. It was only Japanese.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, got a full art though.
Okay.
Belly Bolt. Journey Together did not fuck me.
You pulled the Moltres so far,
Moltres, yeah.
and the...
Moltres out of the UPC.
Oh, and then you got one more too, the fucking, what's it called?
Restroom.
No, from Destined Rivals, right? The fucking,
I've only gotten the Moltres.
what's that fucking Pokemon? Not Rhydon.
Nidoking. Yeah, I got the Nidoking SIR.
Oh, Nidoking. Yeah, that was it.
But that was off center, so I was like, oh, it's just a PC raw card.
I mean, it'll be good for a binder.
Yeah. Repel. Oh, Garga. I don't even know.
Probably
Fuck,
like
that's just-
the worst like art rare you could have got, but
Hey, a hit's a hit.
I mean, the art isn't bad, but it's like the Pokemon is just hard to look at.
And the name is impossible to pronounce.
I mean, it'd be like that sometimes. They're Japanese. What was that, Celebi?
Oh, yeah, so
that's a good rare.
track and then Steelix. Mega was a dud.
Damn.
Actually, I can't say it's a dud.
Yeah, you did get a hit.
Yeah.
I'll count that.
All right, come on, DR.
Okay, let's see what we can do. I'll take a hit for good luck.
Yo, I swear, if a Mewtwo comes out, bro, I'm breaking something in your house.
Yeah, you can break a box open. You can rip more packs. If that's what you mean. I wonder if that smoke's even visible.
You can see it.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Porygon. Yeah. First DR pack.
Oh, there's my Lizzie. Stop.
Oh, it's hiding on the table all the time.
Big old man. That's our boy Devin. You haven't met Kevin yet.
Oh, Ethan's Adventure.
Oh, okay. That's the SAR version that they...
Yes, sir.
Shit.
So we got an SIR. Oh, baby.
There you go. Congratulations. You did get something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me get a car saver.
Yeah, bro. Like, I don't know if like harder to grade, but like those might be one of the few cards from Destined Rivals that get 9s just because they're trainers. But
yeah, the trainers.
If that were to 10, like that might pay for your box. So there you go.
Sure. I think the box was $40.
Yeah, I mean, shit, not bad. I mean, if you get any SAR from like anything less than $40, that's a win. 'Cause think about the sad person that opened a whole 36-pack booster box with no SAR, because that's a real thing.
Looks like
Last
this one's
pack
a
magic.
dud. This one's a dud.
No.
I had to take a peek.
Oh, all you rippers have to take peeks like that.
Yeah.
Damn.
I have to. No, especially when you do whatnot, like you want to flash it. Like,
Yeah, you gotta.
oh, we got something.
You gotta get the hype going.
Exactly.
Oh, shit. Okay. I might have to take after that. But there's our next one. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed. It's been lifted and
Peace, KC.